Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can select and add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, use this plus icon at the bottom left corner. To add an audio file, select Files section and look for your file over here. You can click on Audio at the top of Recent Files, use one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those categories. After finding your file, just hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you wish to add a video on, select Gallery section instead. Tap on your video right away if it's recent, and decide if you want to send it in Google Photos link or low quality video form. Then hit Always or Just Once at the bottom. You can also click on Gallery, tap on your file over here, tap on one of those options, and then select Add at the top right corner. Lastly, you can also click on Gallery, but this time select Folders and look for your video file the same way as an audio one. Then hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!